Hello everyone, welcome to my channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Today we will discuss top 10 best earmuffs for noise reduction with buying guides and reviews. Finding quiet time is significant in a noisy world like this one. Earmuffs provide an easy to use yet efficient solution for noise suppression. They protect hearing, increase focus, and foster calm by filtering out outside noise. Finding the best earmuffs for noise reduction can change your surroundings and raise your standard of living in a busy world. Before moving on the top 10 list, subscribe my YouTube channel www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Don't forget to like the video, share this to your friends. Number 1. 3M WorkTunes Connect Gel Cushions Wireless Hearing Protector Earmuffs with Bluetooth Technology. Features: Bluetooth connectivity that works seamlessly to stream music wirelessly. Gel cushion offer the best comfort for prolonged use. The best protection for hearing is provided by cutting-edge noise reduction technology, a long-lasting battery life guarantee, and extended listening session. Number 2. 3M WorkTunes Connect Hearing Protectors Wireless Earmuffs with Bluetooth Technology. Features: NRR of 24 dB noise reduction rating. Bluetooth wireless technologies lets you seamlessly stream entertainment from your mobile phone and any other Bluetooth-enabled device. Integrated microphone lets you make and take phone calls without removing the hearing protection. Cord and antenna-free design lets you move easily on the job. Number 3. CM WorkTunes Connect Wireless Hearing Protector with Bluetooth Technology 90543H1 DCPC 4Ks. Features: long battery life guarantees, uninterrupted listening for extended periods. Simple control make it straightforward to operate even while wearing gloves. Versatile application for various tasks such as DIY projects, operating machines, and constructions. Number 4. Howard Light by Honeywell Impact Sports Sound Amplification Electronic Shooting Earmuff. Features: built-in directional microphones, amplify range command and other ambient sound to a safe 82 dB, providing more natural listening and enhanced communications. Actively listen and automatically shuts off amplification when ambient sound reach 82 dB. Noise reduction rating NRR 22. Features low profile air cups for firearms stock. Number 5. 3M Standard Earmuffs Black Red Over the Head. Features: effective hearing protection for noise exposures up to 105 dBA. Double shell technology boosts its noise blocking ability. Durable stainless steel headbands resist bending and wrapping. Noise reduction rating NRR of 30 dB, highest available in over-the-head style earmuffs. Number 6. 3M Filter Optime 105 behind the head earmuff factory one size. Features: noise reduction rating of 28 dB, twin cup neck board, patent twin cup design, behind the neck design allow for easy use with hard head, recommended for very high noise level environment. Number 7. Filter Sport Tactical 100 Smart Electronic Hearing Protector Bluetooth Wireless Earmuffs. Features: NRR 22 dB noise reduction rating, ideal for both indoor and outdoor shooters and hunters. Variable suppression time reduced equals indoor. Adaptive frequency response reduce background noise for clearer conversion and hearing of command. Durable releases microphones help to prevent damage and reduce white noise. Number 8. Howard Light by Honeywell Impact Probe Sound Amplification Electronic Earmuff R01902 features a high noise reduction rating. NRR guarantees optimal protection against hearing loss in noisy conditions. Long weary long wearing comfort thanks to the padded headbands and ear cups that are padded. A sleek and robust design provide a long-lasting performance and a contemporary appeal. Number 9. Zuhan EM042 AM/FM radio headphone with digital display 2-pack ear protection noise reduction safely earmuffs. Features while working outside, the built-in AM/FM radio tuner offer enjoyment. Radio frequency tuning and navigation are made simple by digital display. Noise reduction technologies provide ear protection from loud outside noise. In outside setting, a high visible color scheme guarantees simple identification. Number 10. Safety Work 10121816 MP3 AM FM digital radio earmuffs black features. MP3 song and radio frequencies can be easily accessed and controlled with the help of a digital display. In noisy word condition, noisy reduction technology sheet air from harsh noise, clear and crisp sound is ensured with high quality audio, making for a pleasant listening experience. Flexible use for a range of tasks including business and play. Now we are share some customer feedbacks and reviews. You can see screenshot on the screen which are helpful for you to choose a good one according to your needs and requirement. Thanks for watching. Join us on our official website www.bestpurchasepro.com/earmuffs for noise reduction. Join us on other social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, and YouTube. Subscribe www.youtube.com/bestpurchasepro814. Thanks for watching.